So a quick video to show you what a Dect Fall pendant looks like and how you connect it to a Dect device and how it works. So this is the Fall Sensor. It's quite a nice looking thing. It's got a two-way audio. It's got a Qi charger to drop on, so you don't have to fiddle around charging it with the micro USB point at the bottom. There's a plug to go over that to protect it. I've just left it out to show you. So that's the device, and basically this is a home cordless phone, a Dect device. So we've added this device as an extra handset, like you normally would add, another handset for your cordless Dect device. So this just plugs into your home phone line, and then you program it to call who you want to in an emergency or if it detects a fall. So it's quite simple to use. You just press the button for a couple of seconds.
Help call will be triggered. To end call, press call button. Your phone will be called. Please wait.
It takes about 10 seconds, 15 seconds to initiate the call. That's again going through to the monitoring centre or friends and family, whoever you've programmed to. And there it is ringing. They should pick it up and hopefully answer it. Hi there, just doing a test call. Thank you.